mean by a circle and a half is, this is a half circle down to here. Then you do another whole circle down to here, and then you anti-spin. Right, so think about it as 1.5 times around, and then back into your anti-spin. The right turn is the same thing, only you're turning in the extension to your right. Cap, 1 and 2 and 3. Now on the 4, turn to your right, come back around, and then anti-spin up from the bottom. And 1 up, 2 up, 3 up. Now on this 4th one, turn to the right, 360, around and down, and then anti-spin up. 1, 2, 3, 4, turning to the right, 360, and anti-spin up. 2, 3, 4, and turn to the right, 360, anti-spin up. 2, 3, 4, turn to the right, 360, anti-spin up. 2, 3, 4, turn to the right, 360 now. We'll do 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Now turn to the right, come back around, and cap. 1, 2, 3, and turn right, and cap. 1, 2, 3, turn and cap. 1, 2, 3, turn and cap. Now 2, 1, 2, and turn. 1 and 2, and turn. 1 and 2, and turn. Now, to prevent dizziness on the singles, what I like to do is alternate which side I'm turning to, because I just did all those rights and now I'm a little whoosh. So what I'll do is a switchback where I do a cap, a left turn, a cap, a right turn, a cap, a left turn, a cap, a right turn, a cap, a left turn, and so on. And that keeps your cochlea more balanced